You been a good boy? Have you been a good boy? You have? So you've been a good boy. Have you been enjoying the cold weather? No? I don't blame you. Now. Like I've said before, every time when Buddy sees the camera, he thinks that it's time to go out in the backyard. It's been about 20, 25 degrees, 30 degrees. It's not going to happen until it gets to be at least 60. And sunny. Yeah. I'm not a cold weather person. I am a summer person. You're not going to see me out and about in the cold unless I absolutely have to be out there. And the only time I absolutely have to be out there is on my way to work, on my way home from work, and walking the dog. Just hanging out outside, it's not going to happen. Give me summer, and then you'll see me out there. A little bit anyway. Hey guys, do you all know how to pronounce my last name? It is Houghton. My last name has been butchered so many times over the years. And I worked at this one place for 15 years, and they never did know how to pronounce my name. And I never corrected them because they never really said my last name until they were introducing me to someone, and I didn't want to be rude and correct them. So here are some of the names that I have been called. houghton, 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 Houghton. And the one I really don't understand is Houston. Where do you get Houston at? There's no S in my name. Let's see, what else have I been called? I've even been called half a camp. What? That is just so funny. Half a camp. That was somebody over the phone. I don't get it. The correct name pronunciation is Houghton. It is so bright out here, I can hardly keep my eyes open. It is going to be 70 degrees today. That is crazy. Like, the last few days have just been, well, yesterday wasn't too bad, but earlier in the week it was like 35. Now it's going to be 70. That's Louisville weather for you. Anyway, I got Buddy out here, and he is enjoying the weather. Check this out. I had my coat on, and I had to take it off because I don't need it. What are you doing? What are you doing? I think he found something to eat. What is this? Ugh. Dogs. You found yourself a little snack in the backyard? Hope it doesn't hurt you. That's all I gotta say. Crazy dog. Found this in the yard. You want it? You want this? Go get it. That is definitely a snack. I guess you could call it a shish kebab kind of thing. I don't even know that he should be eating that. I think that's enough. I think that's enough. That's enough. Let me go hide this. It's behind this tree. Maybe he won't see it. He found something. You's a bad little puppy. Guys, that's the end of the video. And if you like this video, give it a good old thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos, hit that subscribe button. You know where it's at. Go on and click it. It's right down there.